The Northern Line is the Underground's most crowded line, as it operates at 130% of total capacity during peak times. It reaches High Barnet in the north, Euston and King's Cross St Pancras in central London, Clapham and Edgware. The line is operated using 6 cars long, 1995 stock, built by Metro-Cammell. Now for a bit of history. The line first opened in 1890 as the City and South London Railway, between Stockwell and King William Street, and is the oldest section of deep-level railway in the world. King William Street station later closed and was replaced by a new route via Bank to Moorgate. By 1907, the line was then extended to Clapham Common and Euston. In 1926, a new station at Waterloo was built to connect with the South Western Main Line and the Bakerloo Line, as well as the Waterloo and City Line. The Northern Line eventually reached Edgware in 1924. The extension from Clapham South to Morden also opened in 1926. Then there is a bit of an odd part of the Northern Line, that is, the Northern City Line. The Northern City Line is now part of National Rail, but it was originally integrated to the Northern Line. It runs from Moorgate to Finsbury Park. The Northern Line was eventually transferred to National Rail as planned after the Moorgate crash in 1975. And this is how the Northern Line looks today. For the moment, an extension is being built to Nine Elms and Battersea Power Station. This will enable the line to get closer to Clapham Junction mainline station. Now, you might wonder, why is the Northern Line called the Northern Line? And this is a legitimate question. Sure, the line goes up north a little bit, but it's not the most northerly line of the Underground. It is the most southerly line, though. Well, it was actually originally called the City and South London Railway. It only got renamed to the Northern Line in 1937 because of the Northern Heights plan. The line was supposed to see a series of extensions up north, but they never happened because of World War II and the lack of funding. The only thing which is left of the Northern Heights plan today is a tiny little branch to Mill Hill East. For more information about that, you can check out the video of Jay Foreman linked in the description. I might also make a video about it in the future. Well, that's been today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and why not sharing this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.